Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this unit that you see here. I do want to say thank you to EBONYLINE for sending me this unit, you guys. If you guys are interested in hearing about this lovely unit from Bobbi Boss, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, as well as follow me on my socials listed here on the screen, as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm reviewing the Bobbi Boss HD Ultra Scalp Illusion Wig. I have it in the style Taren, and then I have it in the color F1B30. So I'm already excited because the color is F1B30. I love F1B30. I'm super excited to see how this lace is going to lay. Taking it out of the packaging, I did a little quick inspection just to see how the unit was made. So it does come with an extra wide double lined lace, and it says that it has the powder blended effect to it, as well as it being free parting, meaning that you could part it and style it however you would like. And it does come with some baby hairs, and it has a flex fit cap. Once I put the unit on, I basically was just trying to see where I wanted it to sit. I didn't know if I was going to try and switch it up a little bit and give you guys a side part or do a middle part. But middle part was just really calling my name on this unit because I was definitely influenced by the model on the stock card. So I did go with the middle part. And then since it says that it comes with the powder blended effect, I really wanted to make sure that I did not use any powder in my parting space. I just wanted to see how visible, or you know, how natural it was going to look without adding any powder to my parting. So I cut the lace off, and I did go in with my Got To Be High Insta Hold spray. That's the one in the purple and blue container, just to kind of secure the lace a little bit. Since it is ear to ear lace, I wanted to make sure that it was going to stay and not be moving on me while I was in my process of styling. So I did spray it, and I just cut the lace off in sections. Afterwards, I was like, I really want to make sure that this wig is going to lay and look very seamless without any baby hairs. Even though the unit does come with baby hairs, I really wanted to try to make it look as good as possible without the baby hairs. And you guys be the judge of that in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys think once you see the ending process of this install. So during that, I did spray some of the spray on, cut the lace off, and it was looking good. However, the lace is HD lace, but it wasn't very blended as well into my skin. So I did unfortunately have to go in with some powder, my bronzer, and just go over the lace, the little bit of lace that was left on it. I will say for sure though that this hairline is definitely thin, which I absolutely love. You don't want a thicker hairline. I like the fact that I did not have to go in and pluck anything. It was just already plucked enough for me. So I did use my hot comb on it as well, just to flatten the roots as well as flatten the front a little bit, just to give a little bit of flip over, give a little height right there just in the roots in the front area. And that was pretty much it. So after I added my powder, everything else just kind of fell into place afterwards. She's big head friendly as well. I did do the adjustable straps just to make it a little bit tighter. It feels definitely very secure. It doesn't come with an elastic band, but you do have adjustable straps in it. And it also has some combs in it as well. Now this unit, you don't have to wear glue. That was just my personal preference, just to add a little bit of spray because I didn't want it adjusting too much on my head. And if you add a little bit of spray or gel or glue, it'll of course stay put, so you don't have to worry about anything shifting. I would recommend it maybe if you want to wear it for a long period of time. If you're wearing it all day, maybe spray it down, considering that there is a lot of lace. You don't want your wig sliding or anything like that. Just some type of security, just a little extra security, but it's definitely not needed. But I would recommend it. I think this unit is probably about 20 to 22 inches long. It's not super duper long, but she's long. So I would say I would give her about a 20-22 length. I do not have any cons to report about this unit actually. If you feel like the lace might be something that, you know, might mess with you a little bit, that would be the only thing that really bothered me throughout this process, was just that I had to add some powder. But I mean, that's not a big deal to me. I feel like I do that with every wig in general anyway, so it's completely fine. I don't have any shedding or any tangling going on with the unit. I like that this unit isn't super duper shiny because we don't have any yucky texture to it, but it definitely is not shiny, which I really appreciate. And I also like how soft this unit is, and the curls are absolutely gorgeous as well. So I highly recommend you guys trying it, because I definitely think if you're looking for something that looks a little bit more scalpy, this would be one to try. And I'm really pleased with this. Bobbi Boss did a really good job with this unit. So if you guys are interested in purchasing the unit, just check out my description bar below. The link to EBONYLINE's website will be there for you. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on other socials, everything. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.